Hello guys, magandang gabi. Ayan, nandito kami sa may Blue Water ngayon. Ayan. Grabing lugar na ito kahit na paulit-ulit mo puntahan, hindi ka magsasawa. Pero anyway, meron dito sa Pilipinas, ano yung tinatawag nating pantalan, di ba? Di rin pa huhuli ang Pilipinas, may pantalan. Ayan. Naghihintay ako sa alaga. Si amo at si alaga nagka-car. Ayan sa harap, ayan sa likod ko naman. They're running so fast. Ha? Ito naman sa likod ko, ayan ang sa harap. Ah. You remember we ride that before? You remember? It's become small now. Before we ride that one is so big. Now it's so small. Daming ang para-paraan dito. Humita lang ng pera, no? Ha?
You know, guys, when you just put the pedal, it goes so fast, you can't make it go slow.
Oh, you know you can. What do you do is you just slow. Wow.
When you press it, just
Oh, Aya, look, it's so nice to ride that one, yeah? Aya, you want to ride there?
yeah. It looks so nice.
It's so fast.
I'm talking about that.
Alaga. Alaga ko, hala, habol yung nanay niya. Dubai Life. Ito ang Dubai Life. Daming racket. Kitaan ng pera. Guys, and thank you for watching. Like and share for more videos.